Stepping back from the charts saves your trading day and offers you better trades. And a lot of you guys are misleading this. Like, you know, I should be experiencing more, right? Experiencing. But trading is a whole different industry, not the same industry as other industries, right? So, a lot of you guys are coming to the market. The market has already met your drawn liquidity. Your bias has already been met. And sometimes you don't have entry, sometimes you do, right? I just say you miss the entry, market your drawn liquidity, just because you son of a whatever, right? Is greedy. You stay in the market looking for more opportunities. While your drawn liquidity has already been met, that is where the bad shit happens, right? That's where emotions gets involved because your drawn liquidity is met. Now you don't have a high probability of a drawn liquidity because once your drawn liquidity got met, there's literally nothing for you to do after the trade. You're supposed to wait till the next day. So for that daily drawn liquidity, meaning what are you looking for that specific day, not for the week, that specific day, right? What are you looking for? And today you can see when I did my market recap, I call it a day right in 20 minutes of the market open. I call it a day because my drawn liquidity got met, right? And then I had an entry on it, right? There was no point of me staying in the market looking for more setups. I'm hunting for the highest probability. When there's the highest probability, you want to be going for the main drawn liquidity you have for a day because after that, it's harder for the price. It's harder for you to see the market because my drawn got met. Now where should my drawn liquidity be, right? It doesn't work like ERL to IRL. So once you get IRL got met or ERL got met, you're gonna go back to IRL or ERL, right? Depending on which order you're going to, right? It doesn't work like that. You're supposed to not be like, okay, you just hit my IRL, okay, my journal got met, which was the IRL, now I'm going to ERL, right? It doesn't work like that. It works completely different. If your journal located for the day was to IRL, which meaning like IRL to ERL, right? To me, the CRT got met. The CRT, the raise dynamic, all of them got met, right, today. So if I would have stayed in the market today, if you can see market, I was actually counter trading, meaning I was going to get the higher time frame bias, higher time frame narrative. So I was basically going against it, right? Yes, my drone got met. Now, it doesn't mean I was supposed to stay in the market. If I would have stayed in the market, I would have been experiencing losses because my highest probability of the drone liquidity already got met in the first 20 minutes of the first 20 minutes of the, you know, of the session. But I had my entries way before, and I had my entries at 5 a.m. right? So, not 5 a.m. Somewhere around like 6 a.m., 7 a.m. But you get the point. If I would have stayed in the market, I would have experienced a loss just because my drone got met. There's literally no after that. Right when my drone got met, I started thinking like, okay, let me step back. Let me think here. Let me go and control my thoughts and let me think. Should I be staying in the market? Is my brain working well for me to stay in the market or not? My brain today was tripping out because my drone got met. Once my drone got met, I was like, okay, there's nothing for me to do here. Let me just where should the next drawn liquidity? So now my mind is playing games with me, right? So okay, let me call it a day. Let me step back. My drawn liquidity got met. I missed out on making a 4 hour. Okay, I don't care. Now, let me save myself from losing. Let me save myself from a long term. Let me save myself to the long term, not to the short term outcomes and incomes, right? Outcomes and effects, right? The happens in the short term, which meshes up with the long term, right? Let me focus on the long term and let me take a step back and let me call it a day. And some of you guys are here, okay, my role got met. Now let me go from RL to URL, right? Let me go from, okay, my role got met, let me go to URL, right? It doesn't work like that. You're supposed to do that for that session, that for that specific day. If your drawn liquidity for that specific day is to IRL, okay, IRL got met, right? Your drawn liquidity got met. There's nothing else for you to do, right? For me, today was the CRT and IRL, ERL, right? But to me, specifically, what I focus on is CRT, not IRL, ERL, right? But whatever it is to you, once it gets met, the highest probability one, don't just look for another trade because my journal got met, so now let me go look for a counter trade because market goes from IRL to ERL, right? But you gotta focus on the highest probability instead of looking for some, jackass, because you're here for the long term instead of a short term, right? My whole goal for my live streaming, everything, is long term. Nothing is short term, right? I don't do stuff that can give me a short term, outcomes, right? Short term emotions. I don't care. I care about the long term, right? How can I save myself to the long term instead of the short term? So stop and take a step back from the charts, because stepping back from the charts could save you a day of losing. Stepping back away from the charts could help you get better trades instead of getting whack ass trades. Today, my drone liquidity is correct. My drone liquidity got met, but guess what? Market still went against me. If I would have looking for longs afterward, I would have lost, right? So that's why you want to work on the highest probability. So whatever order block, you can see that there's order blocks, but there's different types of order block. As an example, right? There's an order block that has no fills or no purchase liquidity. So that's low probability order block, right? Probability, because I'm focusing on probability, right? So CISD is a high probability, which purchase liquidity or fills liquidity, right? The same thing to go to your trades. Same thing goes to the concept. Same thing go to your trades. You want to focus on the higher probability instead of focus on the lower probability, which you don't want to be focused on, right? So yeah, step back. Think. Should I be staying in the market? My drawing already got met. Should I be looking for the market, or my brain is fried? Is my brain cooked? I don't know what I'm doing no more. If you don't know what you're doing no more, and your drawing already got met for the day, step back, come back next day. Or just wait for the market to do its thing, then look, okay, what happened in the market? What happened after my drawing got met, right? But yeah, thank you for watching. And yeah, this is very important, because today a lot of people said, yo, why didn't you stay in the market, right? Bigger move happened, market had pushed downside, but I did a counter trend. So high time frame with bearish, I was looking for longs, right? So I got stopped out. So I didn't get stopped out. I was going counter trending, right? So which hard here my drone location, so there's no point in me staying in the market anymore. So okay, I'm doing a counter trend, and my counter trend has a narrative bias, everything like that, right? So I didn't take it for no, just a counter trend against a trend. I had a narrative behind it, everything behind it, right? Drone liquidity behind it as well. So that's why I took the counter trend. So okay, my counter trend, drone liquidity got met. Not staying here in the market no more, and wait till next day. But yeah, thank you for watching so much. And yeah, make sure you join the Discord, join TU. If you're new, follow, what I'm saying. Hey, be giving out some educational content here. But yeah, thank you. See you guys later. Peace out.